No matter if you are a businessman, a working professional, a homemaker, a student, or preparing for interviews, this single skill can change your life totally. And that skill is English speaking skills. 2025 is just around the corner, and I will say only one thing: please try to master this skill because it's the high time now. Because if you want to get more opportunities in your life, then you have to master this skill. Today I'm here to give you 15 days challenge that will take your English next level. So if you are accepting that challenge, so don't forget to say yes in the comment below. So first we need to understand that how a baby starts learning a language. Just remember that how we started learning our mother tongue when we were child. So we had more exposure of our mother tongue around us. Suppose our mother tongue is Hindi. So everyone around us used to speak in our mother tongue. So we used to listen our mother tongue and gradually we started mimicking our mother tongue. We used to repeat our parents' words. This is how we learned our mother tongue. Similarly, to speak English, we need to understand, we need to first listen English. When we were kids, so we didn't have to put much efforts to learn our mother tongue because we already had our native language exposure around us. So similarly, to learn English language, we need to create English exposure. Yes, to speak English, we need to listen English a lot. So now let's see our 15 days plan. So this is our 15 days plan. For first 5 days, we will first focus on getting comfortable with English language. And for that, we will listen English a lot. I mean, at least 30 to 40 minutes. We need to listen English every single day so that we can get comfortable with English pronunciation, with English. You can listen whatever you want, but only the condition is you have to listen in English only. See, this is a language, not a easy thing. So if you want to speak this language, then you have to give little bit efforts. First, you have to start listening English. Whenever you are listening or watching English content, then make sure that you are watching English with subtitles so that you can understand words and spellings and start mimicking those subtitles. Yes, this way you will improve your pronunciation as well. And after watching any video or any audiobook, any podcast, you need to describe that video in your own words. Make sure that you are describing that video in English only. This way you will practice your English speaking. Your problem is that you can understand English, you can write English, you can do everything in English, but you cannot speak English. So at first, start speaking to yourself. Start expressing yourself. Start whatever you are doing, start narrating those things in English. Last thing I want you to do in starting 5 days is start ignoring people. Because when you will start mimicking English words and when you will start speaking English, then definitely you will make mistakes and people will start laughing on you. So you have to understand that this is the process. It happens with many of us. You have to remember only one thing, that जिस पे भी ये जग हंसा है उसी ने इतिहास रचा है. So people's work is to laugh, to judge others. They are doing their job. You just have to focus on your job, and your job is to focus on your goals. Focus on your English fluency. Even I make videos on YouTube. So out of 10 comments, 2 comments are necessary that they are going to be negative. So my job is to make videos, to help people, to guide people. So I'm just doing my job, and people are doing their job to just criticize others. You don't have to focus on them. Because of them, you are not going to stop your journey, stop you. You're not going to stop yourself. Okay? So focus on your work. They are doing their job. Let them do their job. Now, in second 5 days, we will focus on speaking. We will focus on speaking skills. We will focus on our English fluency. So first, you have to do speaking challenge. You have to speak English continuously for 5 minutes on any topic. You can choose any topic, but you just have to speak English continuously for 5 minutes. If your topic is family, then you have to speak about that topic, about your family. You can speak in front of the mirror, or you can record your voice as well, so that you can recognize your mistakes. But main thing is to speak English fluently for 5 minutes. Okay, after that you can do reading. What you have to do, you have to read 2 pages in a day, only 2 pages. You can do this very easily. Now it's only up to you that you are reading in the morning or in the afternoon or at night, but you have to read 2 pages out loud. Okay, so that you can focus on your pronunciation as well. Next thing you have to do is setting positive mindset. You know what, this is the journey. Learning English is a journey, and is in this journey most of the time we feel demotivated. You know what happens when we start our journey? So we feel motivated, yeah, I'm going to learn English, I'm going to speak English. But after few days we start feeling demotivated, because this is the journey. We cannot get results quickly, so it takes time. So this is a skill, okay, not a dish or a recipe that you can make very quickly. You have to build English fluency over time. It happens. So what happens in the starting, you cannot get results, so you feel demotivated. So for that you have to set positive mindset. So what you can do to set positive mindset, you have to say out loud positive affirmations to yourself in the morning. I will provide you those affirmations that you have to say to yourself every morning. Those affirmations are, for example, I improve my English every day with practice. Mistakes help me learn and grow. I am fluent in English. I am a confident, fluent speaker. Whatever I desire, I receive. Now, for last 5 days, we will focus on our fluency. That how we can sound like a native speaker. So, to sound like a native speaker, we need to learn idioms. Yes, when you will use idioms in your speaking, then you will automatically sound like a native speaker. I have noticed that every celebrity, whenever they are giving a speech, or every famous content creator, their English is also like us, simple and sweet. But what they do, they use idioms to impress people, to sound like a native speaker, to sound like a confident speaker. So let me tell you few idioms, and for more idioms you can search on ChatGPT that provide me English idioms, and ChatGPT will provide you countless idioms. Break the ice, under the weather, a blessing in disguise, piece of cake. Next, you have to focus on conversations. Yes, you have to force your mind to think in English. Next, start having conversation with real people. If you have someone with whom you can practice your speaking English, then it's a really good advantage. And if you don't have, then no need to worry. You can use multiple platforms. There are multiple platforms available where you can practice your English speaking. So use those platforms. I have already made video that if you don't have anyone with whom you can practice your speaking, then you can use those online platforms to do your English speaking. Now this is our 15 days plan. I hope you understood and you will follow this plan. Let's see quickly that what I told you to do to become fluent speaker. First, you need to consume as much as English you can. Then start speaking English. Start having conversation in your head. And start learning idioms so that you can sound like a native speaker. This is the plan that I told you till now, and please follow this plan so that you know what, 2024 is just about to over. This year is about to end. When you will enter in 2025, so you will enter with pride that yes, I learned, I take my English to the next level. Otherwise, that's why I today made this video 15 days plan. Just 15 days are left to finish, to end this year. So please follow this plan. So when you will enter in 2025, so you will feel little bit proud that yes, I took my English to the next level. Otherwise, you will enter in 2025 with regret that you did nothing whole year. So just accept this plan and take your English next level.